What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be checking out the Creality CR10 3D printer, which is touted by many makers as the most bang for your buck 3D printer out there today. We're going to be doing a complete unboxing as well as a step-by-step guide on how to get it set up and make your first print, including how to set up your slicer program on your computer. All that and more coming up right now. Let's do it. How the heck do I get out of this thing? Hey, what's up, guys? Back at you with another boring.
How do I spice up my intros so people will stay and actually watch the whole thing? Welcome, YouTube viewers. Today, I have before you the world's greatest 3D printer ever.